and today we are making a really impressive dessert with my chocolate-covered strawberry cupcakes. Seriously, what better way to enjoy strawberries than dripping in chocolate and sitting right on top of an amazing cupcake, am I right? And to get that pretty pink pop of color and that all-natural strawberry flavor, I used my secret ingredient in this frosting, a bag of freeze-dried strawberries, all crushed up into a powder that we added to the frosting base. That way we get that pretty pink frosting without any food dyes and that powerful punch of strawberry flavor without having to water it down with fresh strawberries. It is so perfect for these cupcakes. And you guys, the crowning glory of these cupcakes, that fresh, juicy strawberry dripping in thick, shiny chocolate ganache. And as always, you can get the full written recipe at lindsayandbakes.com. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button to be the first to see my all new videos. I use my favorite chocolate cupcake recipe for the base for these because it's super simple to whip together and it's super soft and moist and decadent. And I topped it off with a pretty swirl of sweet and creamy strawberry frosting that's piled high and literally just melts on your tongue. So just add a teaspoon of instant coffee and 6 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder to half a cup of boiling water. And you're not going to taste the coffee, it just really brings out that ultra rich chocolatey flavor in the cupcakes. Then we add a cup of white sugar, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 large egg to our bowl, and just beat this together on medium speed for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then we add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and my secret ingredient, half a cup of sour cream to make these ultra moist and rich. And just beat this right in there until it's nice and smooth. Then we add 3/4 of a cup plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt to a small bowl and just whisk that together. Then gradually add the flour mixture on low speed into our mixing bowl until it's just incorporated. Now comes the good part, so on a steady stream, just beat in that cocoa mixture until it's fully combined. Scrape down the bottom and the sides of the bowl to get all that good stuff in there. And now we just beat for about 20 to 30 seconds until the batter is smooth and thin. Then just distribute the batter between the baking cups, filling about 3/4 of the way full. Alright, now we're just going to pop this in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 16 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Alright, while those are in the oven, we can get started on the strawberry buttercream frosting and our chocolate ganache. So just pulse 1 cup or about 15 grams of freeze-dried strawberries in a food processor on high speed or in a blender until it turns into a powder. And you can also just crush these in a bag if you don't have a food processor. Then we're just going to beat half a cup of unsalted butter on medium-high speed until it's nice and light and creamy for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and now the secret ingredient, our strawberry powder. Next, we're going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, starting on low speed and increasing to medium until it's fully incorporated. Last, we're going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it's nice and soft and fluffy. Look how luscious and creamy this stuff is. Then just pipe it onto your cupcakes and enjoy. Alright, now the last step, we're going to make the chocolate ganache to dip our strawberries into. So place 2/3 cups of chocolate chips in a bowl, and then we're going to pour a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream that's heated just to a simmer right over the top. And just let this sit for 3 to 5 minutes, and then we can gently stir it until it's nice and smooth. Alright, now that our cupcakes are fully cooled, we get to put it all together. So just go ahead and pipe a nice tall swirl of frosting right on top of the cupcake. Then we get to dip our fresh strawberries in our bowl of chocolate ganache and place it right on top of the cupcake. It creates this ooey gooey chocolate glaze that you can really sink your teeth into instead of that hard crackly shell that you get with just plain melted chocolate. So it is perfect for topping these cupcakes. You guys, these are like the most decadent, indulgent cupcakes ever. I cannot wait to give them a try. Oh, that fudgy chocolate cupcake with the creamy strawberry frosting and that rich fudgy ganache. This is like the perfect combo. These are so perfect for spring or summer or even for Valentine's Day, an anniversary, or any romantic occasion. If you guys give these a try, be sure to tag me in a picture on social media at Lindsay and Bakes and let me know who you made these amazing cupcakes for. So there you have my chocolate-covered strawberry cupcakes. Head on over to lindsayandbakes.com for the full written recipe and tons more that I know you're gonna love, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!